Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the camera roll folder is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in storage. Best match, go back with storage settings. Go ahead and open that up. So I'm going to scroll down and select advanced storage settings and then select where it says where new content is saved. Go ahead and select that. On Windows 10, underneath more storage settings, it would say change where new content is saved. So anyway, now that we're under here, we're going to go ahead and select the pictures. So scroll down. So we're going to select where it says new photos and videos will be saved to. We're going to go ahead and click inside the drop down here. And if you want to save it to a different drive, you can. If you want to change the actual folder location on the drive itself, if you were to close out of here and open up File Explorer, and then navigate over to wherever you want the new photos to be saved to, for whatever reason, let's just say we're going to save it in this directory. So I'm going to create a new folder here. I'm going to do Photos. I'm going to create that. And I'm going to right click on this folder and I'm going to select Show More Options. And where it says Include in Library, click on that and then select Camera Roll. So now this will be in the Camera Roll folder. So you can see Camera Roll. If you click on the left side here, you can see now it's under the Camera Roll as well as Photos. So you can remove a folder as well underneath Camera Roll here on the left side by right clicking on it. So if you want to remove it, you could just right click on the folder and actually delete it, and that would remove it from the Camera Roll folder. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.